Hi, I am Viviana, and in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that you can do today to boost the traffic to your website. So we're going to cover content, citations, and backlinks. So let's start with content. Here I'm looking at your website, and I actually like that your website is well laid out. It has very nice pictures, and it has descriptions to your primary services, which are plumbing and heating, emergency plumbing and heating. I noticed though that it does not have any reference to your remodeling services as well, and is lacking content because it has 435 words, and Google likes to see at least 1,500 words to start optimizing you and start ranking you at the top of their Google search. When I look at your competitors, so for example, Leo Lance for kitchen remodeling, they have around 904 words, and Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have around 838 words. So that's something that you can do today. Sprinkle your front page with more and more relevant keywords related to the services that you provide. Now, let's go on to Google search. Talking about keywords. So keyword is anything that a user can type in when they are looking to buy services or products. When you look at the Google search, there are usually 3 sections. So the first one is the Google Ads. Google Ads are good because they are able to drive 30% of the traffic, but reality is that a lot of people skip them and they move on to the Google Maps sections. And the Google Maps sections are making a huge difference to businesses because 60% of the people actually go to businesses that are listed on the Google Maps. So to rank at the top of the Google Maps, and here is my second tip, you need citations. Citations is anywhere your business is listed in a directory showing the exact name, the business address, and the phone number. And it has to be a perfect match so that Google gives you points for that. So you just have to make sure that those citations are done correctly. Now let's move on to the third section of the organic search, of the Google organic search. The third section is what, we call it the organic search. And to rank at the top of that organic search, you need something that is called backlinks. Backlink is a link anywhere on the internet where there is a website directing traffic to your website or that it is pointing to your website. And think about it like a popularity contest. The person that has the most likes is the person that usually wins. In this case, the website that has the most backlinks is the website that is going to rank at the top. But also, it's like influencers. In here, you just don't want any backlink. You want powerful backlinks. So for example, if your backlink is in a relevant page related and associated to the services that you provide to your niche, then Google is going to give you extra point because it's going to give you more credit for those backlinks, and it's going to rank you even higher. So to analyze the backend of your website, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Is this tool here? And in this tool, we can see that there are 146 referring domains with 725 backlinks. If I look at your competitors, so Leo Lance, they have 329 referring domains with a little bit over 1,000 backlinks. Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have 428 referring domains with a little bit over 5,000, 5,300 backlinks. So here's my point. You don't necessarily need more backlinks. You need more and more quality backlinks. Now, talking about those keywords that you are targeting, you have good traffic, but when we look at them, they are mainly related to your plumbing and to your heating services. And in here, you see the search volume, how difficult it is to rank for those keywords, and showing me in which position of the Google search you are showing up. So for example, for plumbing Richmond, Virginia, you are showing up on the 8th position. But look how difficult it is to rank for that particular keyword. Now, if I take a look at your competitors, so Kitchen Leo Lance, they are ranking at the top or the first positions for kitchen remodeling Richmond, Virginia, and kitchen remodel Richmond, Virginia. And look at this. It means that a little bit over 1,000 people are searching for these terms on a monthly basis. and they're able to drive more than 120 visits. That's organic traffic that are able to drive to their website, and they're showing up on their, just because they are showing up on the third position of the Google search. And that's just organic traffic. It means that they don't have to pay for this. They don't have to use Google Ads to rank at the top. So imagine being always at the top. It means that you're going to be able to be in front of more potential customers. And just more visits means more sales, more leads, and more sales for you. Let's have a look at your the other competitors. So Classic Kitchens of Virginia. Similar story. They are ranking on the 4th position for kitchen remodeling in Richmond and 5th position for kitchen remodel Richmond. So there are a little bit over 100 visits per month just for those two keywords. And you even do bathroom remodeling. So I actually had a look at one of your competitors that is ranking at the top, and look at this. There are just these two terms, bathroom remodel Richmond and Richmond, Virginia bathroom remodel, 1,200 searches per month, and they are able to drive close to 200 visits just because of those two terms, and they are ranking 2nd and 3rd position. So just imagine the possibilities. So just to recap, we cover content. You need more and more relevant content in your front page so that Google can find you for that content. You need more citations that show exactly the same as your Google Business Profile, and you need more and more powerful backlinks pointing to your website. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to arrange a more in-depth consultation. My name again is Viviana Olaya, and you can find my details at the bottom of this email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.